Introducing Eye Herbal Support from Jamaica Health Box. A natural formula rooted in traditional Jamaican herbalism, carefully crafted to support your vision and promote overall eye health. In a world of synthetic solutions, discover the power of nature's wisdom. Eye Herbal Support offers several key benefits. First, powerful antioxidants combat free radicals, protecting your eyes from damage. Second, it supports macular health, crucial for clear central vision. And third, it helps reduce eye strain and fatigue, especially important in our digital age. What makes Eye Herbal Support so effective? Bilberry, rich in anthocyanins, supports healthy blood vessels in the eyes. Turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, protects against oxidative stress. And other carefully selected herbs synergistically enhance these benefits, creating a powerful natural formula. Why choose Eye Herbal Support? Because it's a natural, holistic approach to vision care. Unlike synthetic options, our formula harnesses the power of nature, working in harmony with your body to support long-term eye health and well-being. It's a choice for natural vitality. Ready to experience the natural power of Eye Herbal Support? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and place your order. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Embrace the Jamaican tradition of herbal wellness and see the world with clarity and vitality.